2 weeks ago, I posted a video about my most used and least used luxury items for 2025. While working on that video, I came to realize that I haven't been using quite a number of my Hermes pieces. So am I now done with Hermes? Let's talk about it. So let's talk about the Hermes pieces that I don't use that much. The first one is my Hermes Kelly 28. This is in black Togo leather and it has gold hardware. This bag has always been my least used luxury handbag. I find the size a little bit too big for me, especially seeing I don't usually carry that much. Something else that puts me off about using this bag is that this is quite hard to open and close, so just getting my phone in and out the bag is quite a hassle. In terms of jewelry, I personally really enjoy the rose gold from Hermes because I think it has the perfect shade of pink, so I do have a small collection of their fine jewelry pieces. That being said, I haven't been wearing this Hermes gumboot necklace in the many years I've had it. So this is in rose gold and it's truly a beautiful piece. But in the last few years, I've come to realize that I tend to prefer very simple necklaces that I can wear from day to day. So sadly, in the last few years, this necklace has mostly been sitting around in my closet. In the last year, I also haven't been wearing these Hermes Ferrando earrings in rose gold. These are actually the perfect everyday earrings and they are so Hermes iconic. To be honest, I still love the way they look, but somehow I haven't been reaching for them. But who knows, maybe my preferences will change again in the future. So at the moment, I don't have any plan of letting them go. And then I have this Hermes Kelly belt, and this is the only luxury belt in my wardrobe. This features the black Epsom leather and rose gold hardware. I think this belt is as elegant and classy as a belt can be. Not only that, this is fully adjustable, so there's a lot of flexibility, whether if I want to wear the belt a little bit higher or lower depending on my outfit. All that being said, I personally don't wear belts all that much, so in the last several years, I haven't been putting this to good use at all. So those are the Hermes pieces that I haven't been using much, so is Hermes a waste of money for me? The short answer is no, because there are certain Hermes pieces that I absolutely love and have been using a lot since day one. The first one is my Hermes BIRKIN 25. I adore this size because even though it's so cute and tiny, it can actually carry all my essentials plus more. I also love that this bag is incredibly versatile. This can basically go with any of my outfits. So since purchasing the BIRKIN 25, this has always been one of my most used luxury handbags. In terms of jewelry, I've been wearing my Hermes CDC bracelet in rose gold a lot. This is essentially my everyday bracelet, and I love that this is so much easier to put on compared to the Cartier Love bracelet, which I used to own. I also think this looks really chic, unique, and timeless. Another Hermes jewelry that I wear all the time is my Hermes CDC ring in rose gold. This is so comfortable to wear, and I always love to stack it with my Cartier Love ring. Something else that I really enjoy from Hermes are their cashmere shawls. These are so comfy. The material is really soft and pampering, and I love traveling with them because they always come in very handy. Plus, they take up very little space. So what I'm trying to say is, even though there are things that don't quite work for me, I still very much enjoy Hermes as a brand because their quality and craftsmanship are undeniably top-notch. So if there is a missing element in my wardrobe, I will still consider Hermes as an option because I know their pieces will last a very long time. All that being said, I'm not interested in building a purchase history anymore just to get my hands on something that I might like. I think by now it is a common knowledge that you need a purchase history at Hermes if you want to be offered their very popular pieces like the BIRKIN, Kelly, and Constance bags. This means you first of all have to find a sales associate at Hermes that you can work with And then you need to buy things that you're not really into just so you can have access to the pieces that you're actually after. At this point, I feel like I already have a functional and versatile wardrobe, so the idea of building a purchase history just doesn't serve me anymore. And that is why I've been looking at the secondhand luxury market whenever I'm interested in any Hermes pieces. Recently, I got this Hermes Eileen TPM bag from ZenLuxe Japan. Now, some of you might already know that Japan is a very popular destination for secondhand luxury shopping. It's a place where you can get amazing pieces at fantastic prices. And now with ZenLuxe Japan, you can do your shopping from the comfort of your own home. ZenLuxe Japan is an online marketplace that connects you to established and verified Japanese sellers. They are essentially the middleman between the sellers and the customers worldwide. On ZenLuxe Japan, you'll be able to find a very comprehensive luxury collection, including brands like Hermes, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Cartier, and so on. I love that they always have a very clear description about the condition of every single item because it means you know exactly what you're getting. And now let's talk about this Hermes Eileen TPM. This is in the black Clermont leather and it has gold hardware. I've spoken about this many times before, but black and gold is my absolute favorite combination of all time. And I'm so glad to have come across this on ZenLuxe Japan. In fact, I've heard gold hardware is usually a lot harder to come by compared to palladium hardware for the Hermes Eileen bags. I personally also really adore the Clermont leather because I know this is a workhorse material. Years ago, I used to own an Hermes Lindy 26 in the Clermont leather, and since then, I've always really liked this leather material. Now, the reason I chose this bag is because I had been looking for a very casual mini bag for a while because next year we're expecting some lifestyle changes, which I will share with you in due time. But anyway, I've been really enjoying this Hermes Eileen bag. I love that this looks fairly understated. Now, I know there's a big H logo on the front, but I love that I have the option to wear the bag the other way on days when I want to look more low-key. And now let me show you what I can fit in here. First of all, my Kindle e-reader goes in there perfectly. And this is my iPhone 15 Max Pro, my Mulberry card holder, sunglasses, a hand cream, and my sunscreen powder. And there you go. This bag fits my essentials quite nicely and the bag is still in a very lovely shape. This bag essentially has an open top, which means getting my phone in and out the bag is so easy. Now, some people might worry about the aspect of security, but I personally am not too concerned because I tend to wear this bag as a crossbody bag, so the bag sits very close to my body anyway. That said, there is a snap button which will give you a bit of security, and I find it really easy to open and close. This bag comes with a canvas shoulder strap which is not adjustable. The strap itself feels very comfortable on my shoulder. I'm about 162 centimeters tall and this is how the bag looks on me crossbody. It sits just slightly below my hip area. I personally love the way it looks because this is really casual and effortlessly shaped. As a shoulder bag, it sits just a little bit too low for my liking. But if you have a taller frame, it might work better for you. Like I said, I intend to use this bag as a crossbody bag anyway, so this shoulder strap actually works quite well for me. All in all, I really love this bag and I can see myself using it quite a lot. I think I was really lucky to have come across this bag because it really is in the perfect combination for me. Not only that, this bag is in an excellent condition in terms of the leather quality, the hardware, and the glazing. Now, when I was shopping for this bag, I actually spent quite some time deciding between this one and another Hermes Eileen Mini on the ZenLuxe Japan website. And that one is a vintage piece in a very wearable dark burgundy color. I'll make sure to link it down below if it's still available. But that bag was made in 2002, so it's over 20 years old, and it's such a unique piece. But after thinking about it for a few days, I decided to go for this one because black is my absolute favorite color when it comes to my handbags. And I think that is one of the perks of doing online shopping. Now, I know this very much depends on who you are, but I personally prefer doing online shopping now because I feel like I can think more clearly in my own space. And when I'm not under the influence of the beautiful lighting, the decorations, and the very welcoming atmosphere in a luxury store. This means I can focus my attention on getting the perfect luxury items that work for my everyday life. In fact, I haven't actually gone to an Hermes store in about 5 years. One reason is because, like I said before, I'm not ready to build a purchase history anymore. And the second reason is, every time I went to an Hermes store, I always felt this slight sense of FOMO because I'm aware that their stocks are very limited. So whenever I saw something I kind of liked, I always felt this urge to just buy it. For example, years ago, I bought an Hermes Lindy 26. At that point, I didn't have a sales associate yet. I just happened to come across the bag in the store. And I was really excited because in my local Hermes store, usually there's nothing much on display. So when I saw the Lindy 26, I told myself I have to just buy it. In reality, however, that color didn't really work for me. It's not a color that I ever wear, and I found it so tricky to style the bag with my daily outfits. So as well made and beautiful as the Lindy 26 was, I decided to sell it eventually. Over the years, I have sold quite a number of my own luxury items. In fact, so many of them were in excellent condition when I let them go. This is why I'm very open to buying secondhand luxury items because I know for a fact that you can get a very good deal if you look in the right places. If you're interested to check out ZenLuxe Japan, don't forget to use my promo code because it will give you a discount of 5,000 yen. And in case if you're worried about the aspect of authenticity, all their items are covered by ZenLuxe Authenticity Guarantee. Not only that, they also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. And that is it for me today. I hope you like this Hermes Eileen Mini as much as I do. Thank you so much for being here. Take care and I will see you soon.